Hey everyone, this is Tip from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your little USB drive like this isn't showing up on your Windows 11 computer. So if we go on over to my home screen here, I can see under this PC, my drive is not on here. I have my hard drive 1 and my hard drive 2, but no USB drive. Why is this? Now, if we go on down to search and we type in disk management or create and format hard disk partitions, you can just type this in, create and format hard disk partitions, and open this up. Now, there could be a couple of reasons why this isn't working, but if we open this up and scroll on through the disk manager or the disk management, we can see under here, I still have my hard drive on here. So I can see it right here, disk 2, 14 gigabytes. And what I'm going to do is just select this, and I'm going to delete the volume and just completely delete it. So let's go to right click and delete volume. All right, and just make sure you have the correct one selected, otherwise you're going to be deleting your hard drive. So this is my disk 2, 14 gigabytes. I know that. I can confirm it. Then I'm going to delete this other one too. Go to yes. So it might not show up on File Explorer, but it'll show up under disk management. And then once we have everything deleted, we can right click, go to new simple volume, go through this process, and you can set it up, assign a letter, and then go to file system, depending on what you have, NFTS or whatever, or FAT32 or EXFAT. Then we can go to finish. And now this is all going to be allocated finally. And we should be able to use this. And it's saying I need to format my disk D. Well, that's not the drive I'm trying to do. So I don't know if I want to do that. Disk D. Actually, disk D is the one I want. So just verify it. Disk D on my other computer was my hard drive. So, all right. So I got the T drive and then my C drive. So this one is the D drive. So I'm going to open this up, or I can format it right here. But just open it up. It'll say you got to format it, and just go ahead and format it. So let's open up File Explorer. Once we open up File Explorer, we can see it in here, the D drive, and it's not going to have any kind of like line under it. That's when you know you need to format it. So we can just go to format right here. And I'm going to switch over to NTFS, go to start. And once you format it, you should be able to get it to work. And it should pop up. And now we should be able to store things on there. So that's probably the easiest way. You just didn't have a drive assigned to it at all. For whatever reason, I'm not sure. Now, another thing that you could do is go on down to search and type in device manager. Open up this little software. This is what it looks like. Now, when we go to device manager, we go up to the top. I think there's an option under view, and we can view hidden items or devices too. Now we can close these Bluetooth things, and we can go to disk drives. And we can see all these different drives on here. So if you can't find your drive, you might want to just do hidden drives, and you should be able to find it. So I know mine is the SanDisk Ultra USB device, but I also have like a PNY device. It looks like it saves just a bunch of random stuff on here. So I can just get rid of this, and I only have 3 drives on here now. So you can just go to your drive, and you can look through here. You got different drivers. You could uninstall the device. You could try disabling the device if you really want, or update the drivers under here and see if any of that options work. So if you uninstall it and reinstall it, let's just uninstall it. Now it's going to remove it from our list here. So I'm not going to be able to see it anymore, but you can just unplug it and then plug it back in, and it should pop up under here. So it popped up. You know, it's working when File Explorer pops up, and it should show up under this list again. So if you can see under device manager and device management, it should be working once you assign a letter. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.